friends, I'm Daniela, the vegan mom.
I am Christina, a vegan girl.
Let's talk vegan cooking and vegan recipes. And I assure you, the food will be so delicious and nutritious all at the same time that you will want to kiss the vegan cook. Start with your favorite foods and veganize them. And here I've got you covered. I have plenty of recipes on my website, which is www.vegan-mom.com/recipes. Or you can go online and search for vegan recipes. There are plenty of them out there. And if you need help switching to plant-based vegan foods and you need a tour guide on your new journey, I am here to help you. Just send me an email to support@danielaclapp.com. I will also leave that email in the description below. And just shoot me an email and I will answer you within about 48 hours or less. So if you have any questions or comments or any tips of your own to share, drop a comment below. And be sure to like this video so we can spread this message to as many people as possible. Do you have anything to say, Christina?
No.
No, nothing else to say? Okay, why don't we say goodbye until the next video.
Bye! See you next time!